Hi guys, Marinda here from Sparko Events. And as you know, I always try to do something from Pinterest. And I love the ocean and I love the colors in the ocean, the blue sky, all the blue and green combination together. So I found I found a project on Pinterest which I really love. And on my laptop right here, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit closer. So it's kind of like a multimedia project. It has some features also glued on a canvas. So I thought that would be a great idea to do this project today. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to do. And I think this is one of the easiest, simplest projects I ever did. So, okay. So let's get started. Before we do that, I'm going to turn my camera and show you everything what you need to create this project. So I got a canvas, just 10 by 10. Of course, you can do any size you like. And I prepared a glue gun, which I'm going to use for my seashells. I also have paints. I'm using acrylic paint, and for now I'm just going to use these colors. I have white, I have blue, a lighter blue color and a darker shade. Okay, and then I have Pthalo Green and a raw sienna. It's kind of like a stem color. And then I have some seashells. I even have some glass beads, and it's not necessary. Unless you guys want to use that, of course, paintbrush and watercolor, paper towel, maybe scissors in case you need it. I also have some extra white paint because I always need more white. So I'm going to start with just kind of add base color for my canvas, and to make it easy and fun, I am going to start with just applying some paint colors right here in the corner. you guys had fun. Some, you know, mistakes here, but I like it. I hope you guys do too. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.